Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today in this 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to run through some of the ingredients that you guys should be looking out when buying skincare products. If you just want a bit more information when you do go shopping for your skincare products, so this video is the one for you. There we go. Hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is amazing because it's a humectant. Now, it's an ingredient that actually draws moisture to the skin. If you have dry skin, hyaluronic acid should 100% be your best friend. Even if you have oily skin, you should also embrace hyaluronic acid. It's great for keeping the skin moisturized. You can definitely use something like this when you're going to bed. It's absolutely going to repair your skin, and when you wake up, it's just going to be molto bene. The next ingredient is salicylic acid. This is an example of a BHA, which is a beta hydroxy acid. Salicylic acid is a really great acne fighting acid. The next two are lactic acid and glycolic acid. These are examples of AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids. They also work for acne fighting, kind of changing the appearance of skin, dealing with texture. But BHAs, which is salicylic acid, definitely penetrate the skin more than AHAs. I would definitely lean more towards a salicylic acid. The next one is vitamin C. Now this is just a product. Vitamin C is amazing for brightening the skin, giving you a more even skin tone. Definitely use over a prolonged period of time. You will see great results with vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is the most researched, most common version of vitamin C. The one disadvantage of vitamin C is that high concentrations do need to be stabilized. So if you are dealing with a concentration of vitamin C that is like 20% up, you will have to keep it in the fridge and you'll pretty much have to use it as soon as you get it. But it's an amazing ingredient for skincare. The next product is alcohol. Now I stay away from alcohol in my skincare, alcohol in my body, down my throat. Now there are good alcohols and there are bad alcohols. The bad alcohols, which are denatured alcohols, which typically dry out your skin. If you have dry skin, do stay away from those. The good alcohols are cetyl and sterol alcohols. These are examples of fatty alcohols. They're really good emollients and will help in terms of moisture with your skin. The last ingredient that you should look out for, this is one that we do not want. These are zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. These are typically found in physical sunscreens. Physical sunscreens are the sunscreens. How many times can I say sunscreen? These are the sunscreens that typically leave your skin with that kind of purple lavender haze, that white, you know what I mean? Chemical sunscreens are definitely becoming more popular, but formulas in the US are not advanced at the moment as they are in Korea and Europe. So physical sunscreens are very popular in the market. I don't know of many physical sunscreens that don't have these in it. I'm not saying that they all have it in it, but I definitely have just gravitated towards chemical sunscreens. So guys, that was a quick video on ingredients that you need to look out for. If you want to leave any comments down below on any other ingredients that you're not sure about, go ahead and do so. Let's get the conversation going, guys. Do not forget to connect with me on social media. I will see you in my next 2-Minute Tuesday. Bye bye.